Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Thursday, the 31st of May. The euro recorded losses against most of its major counterparts as market sentiment is becoming increasingly negative. Ireland will hold a referendum on whether to accept the Eurozone fiscal compact today. A yes outcome appears more likely. Nevertheless, the 16% of undecided voters in the latest polls could change this. The first indications of the result should be expected after 2100 GMT, where the exit polls will be released. But the final official results will not be announced until Friday afternoon. Italian 10-year bond yields rose to a 4-month high of 5.9%, falling short of the bond auction target. Meanwhile, Spanish 10-year bond yields are near a new Eurozone high. Versus the US dollar, the euro dropped to 123.73 from 124.78, a near 2-year record low. The US dollar appeared stronger as Eurozone woes favoured the buying of the greenback. The ADP employment report due later today at 12:30 will provide a good forecast on the non-farm payroll release tomorrow. Versus the Swiss franc, the greenback rose to 0.9707 from 0.9625. Against the Canadian dollar, the US dollar rose to 103.02 from 102.37. A break above 103.15 is needed for the pair to open the way for higher highs. Looking at commodities, oil prices plunged to $87.01, a 7-month low from $90.36 a barrel. Gold rose to $1,564.56 from $1,553.20. Against the euro, gold surged to €1,263.92 from €1,243.31 an ounce. Silver moved up to $27.91 from $27.75 an ounce. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points are 124.55 with a preference to enter into short positions at 124.55. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 79.10 with a preference to enter into short positions at 79.10. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 0.97 with a preference to enter into short positions at 0.97. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 155.50 with a preference to enter into short positions at 155.50. And the dollar CAD pivot point is at 102.67 with a preference to enter into long positions at 102.67. Looking at commodities, the oil pivot point is at 88.60 with a preference to enter into short positions at 88.60. The gold pivot point is at 1553 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1553. And the silver pivot point is at 27.60 with a preference to enter into long positions at 27.60. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. On the calendar, the market movers are the UK nationwide house prices month-on-month for May. They're already out and higher than expected at 0.3%. US ADP national employment for May forecast at 148,000. And the US crude oil inventories forecast to come out at 0.2 million. Now on to equities. In Europe, the FTSE was down 1.74%, the DAX was down 1.81% and the CAC was down 2.24%. In the US, the SP 500 was down 1.43% and the Dow was down 1.28%. In Asia at the time of writing, the Nikkei was down 1.33% and the Hang Seng was down 1.03%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Jo from the Easy Forex Steering Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.